New York Times, OpenAI lawsuit, live updates. Jury rejects Elon Musk's claim in a unanimous verdict. Elon Musk loses court battle against Sam Altman and OpenAI after 3 weeks. Well, this is interesting then, this meme. Much of Altman's time on the stand concerned his relationship with Musk, who is pretty much the same behind closed doors as he is in his public persona. LMAO, Altman says there was a meeting at Tesla during the evening about folding OpenAI into Tesla for AI research. And then a long period of time with Elon showing us memes on his phone. The court reporter has to ask him to repeat memes on his phone loudly. This is from somebody giving a play-by-play of the actual trial. And here's what an artist's depiction of the trial looked like. Sam Altman, slightly bigger head than body. Yep, fair. Elon Musk with a cat meme. I think that's what this is supposed to depict. Anyway, what do you think of the OpenAI Elon Musk trial and the verdict?
That's a pretty funny meme, I think. I don't know how deeply Elon goes in some of these strategic conversations when he was like trying to wrangle control of OpenAI. And he's like, let's turn it into a for-profit and I want to run it. I don't know that he had a lot of depth of thought other than like, I don't trust these guys. I want to run it. Like, and that seems to be his modality, with all of his, like, he doesn't have like really peers in his company, right? Collaborators. Mm-hmm. He works well as like a sort of a bottom up, like type,
like dictator, like
hierarchical, control. And I mean, he succeeded that way. So but there's not any pretending that he's like trying to work alongside anybody or get that, or somebody that doesn't get along with him has an unreasonable point of view. It's just like, no, you're just on Elon's show and he's going to run the show if you're here.
Yeah. It's definitely main character sort of energy is what he exudes.
Yeah.
So I think he is a deeply thoughtful guy from my reading of him and his book and stuff. Like he wants more for humanity from what I could tell. And you have to be deeply thoughtful if you're trying to build rockets and you succeed with that, right? But it is funny that on the flip side, they were just talking in the trial for a while about him showing Sam Altman memes back in the day. Like that's like, I could totally see this happening. And then I could totally see him just thinking, yeah, these guys blow. I'm going to try this instead. And then he got a little upset and didn't go his way. And then now we're here. So such is life. We're all humans at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Just want to show my friends my memes. And then if they're trying to take over the world and I think they're doing wrong things, I guess I'll do things about it.
Yeah, totally. I heard it was Ben Thompson talking about the trial last night, and it takes such a winding course. Like, and there's a lot of things you could sort of look on the outside looking in and scrutinize about things that OpenAI did. For the most part, they made pretty rational, reasonable decisions and defensible decisions the whole way through. And I think that sense of them being a rational actor did not get destroyed during the case. And I think that's probably why, there wasn't any kind of repercussions. They just acted in the best interest of their business and in the most rational way that they had available to them.